Hey, everyone! Welcome back. And today we have something incredibly delicious in store for you. The best carrot cake recipe inspired by the Southern living tradition. If you're a fan of moist, flavorful, and downright irresistible carrot cake, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get started. First things first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this amazing Southern living-inspired carrot cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2 cups granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. 1 cup vegetable oil. 4 large eggs. 2 cups finely grated carrots. 1/2 cup crushed pineapple, drained. 1/2 cup chopped pecans. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Cream cheese frosting, ingredients to be mentioned later. Now that we have everything ready, let's start baking. 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger until well combined. 2. Next, add in the vegetable oil and eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. 3. Gently fold in the grated carrots, crushed pineapple, chopped pecans, and vanilla extract until everything is evenly incorporated. 4. Grease and flour your cake pans. We're using 2 9-inch pans for that perfect layer cake effect. 5. Divide the batter evenly between the pans and smooth the tops with a spatula. 6. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While our cakes are cooling, let's whip up that decadent cream cheese frosting. 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 8. In a separate bowl, beat together the softened cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. 9. Once your cakes are completely cool, generously frost the top of one layer, place the second layer on top, and frost the entire cake. And there you have it, the Southern living-inspired best carrot cake. Look at how moist and irresistible this looks. I can't wait to dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!